Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to do a cleaning reset. So my kids have gone for a bike ride with my husband. I'm here on my own, which is really unusual. This doesn't really happen these days because we're in lockdown. I want to go around the house and I'm just going to do a 10-minute reset. I'm going to get as much as I can get done, and obviously I'm going to share that within the next 10 minutes of this video, and I hope that I'm going to be able to motivate some of you. So a reset is not about deep cleaning. It is not about decluttering. It really isn't about that. It's about just putting things back where they belong, or at least moving them out of where they don't belong, and having a quick hoover around and a tidy up. So it's my quick reset. I like to use a washing basket for this. So I will just go round, everything that doesn't belong in that room goes in the basket, and I take it to the next room and I continue. When it's full, I'll go and empty it. But really that isn't part of my 10 minutes. This is the emptying part. The key is clearing each room, putting things back where they belong later when I go around to it, but getting a really good clean. I mean, this table is an example. I'm just going to show you. Yeah, so this table has gone a bit crazy. I have got a DIY project going on over there. I have got tons of washing over there that needs sorting out. Something's been dumped on the floor over there. It's just got crazy. So yeah, I've got to get on and do this, and I want to do it before the kids get home. Whenever I'm cleaning, I like to light a candle, and today I've got a wax melt going. It's called Fresh Laundry, and it is so delicious and makes the house smell so clean. To Ollie, I might play PlayStation 4 tonight. Fortnite, Battlefront, Minecraft. Please don't tell Mum and Dad. You can play with me. Love from Emily. Keeping that to show her. It feels so good to get this table cleared and cleaned up, but that's all I am going to do in here. I'm going to move on now to the sitting room. So my priority in this room is just to clear a few things up, have a dust and put the hoover around, and I'm using my Shark lift away for this. If you've seen my previous video with my review of the Shark, it hasn't really improved in my estimation. It does pick up well, but it still irritates me so much. So I had less than 10 minutes before the children came back from their bike ride, so I was then working around them. It feels so good to get this room cleared up for the most part and tidy before I move on to the dining room. In here I'm sorting out all of Emily's homeschooling things. I've got everything in this tray. I try to keep everything together and tidy.
because otherwise it just ends up everywhere. I got this tray from B&M and it was £2.50. Emily always seems to turn up in my videos these days. She was coming and going whilst I was trying to clear the table, hoover and mop the floor. There was an awful lot of food under the table where Miss Emily had been sitting. Now I'm getting on with clearing the study. I'm trying to get my desk clear, ready for Monday. Emily has also been sitting at my desk to do her homeschooling, so I've got some of her stuff that I want to clear up and just make sure I've got it all together and ready for the new week. My desk is working out so well. I absolutely love it. I'm glad I decided to make the desk super big because now there's two of us sitting at the desk for the foreseeable future.
So there we go, I finished my cleaning reset and I'm really pleased that I managed to do as much as I did. I hope that I might have motivated some of you to do a cleaning reset in your house. If you do, then leave me a comment and let me know. If you're new here, then I'd love it if you would consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!